National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and northeastern Harris County until 4 o'clock this afternoon. At 3:29, a severe thunderstorm was located near Humble, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Locations impacted include but are not limited to Humble, Kingwood, Spring, Aldine, Crosby, Lake Houston Dam, Bush Intercontinental Airport, Lake Houston itself, Atascocita, and Porter. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and northeastern Harris County until 4 o'clock this afternoon. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station.